Ready to become a ServiceNow certified application developer? This guide covers the essential concepts you need to know for 2026. First, let's look at the exam structure for 2026. The ServiceNow CAD exam consists of 60 multiple choice and multiple select questions, and you'll have 90 minutes to complete them. While ServiceNow doesn't publish an exact passing score, the community consensus is around 70%. The exam content is broken into 6 domains, but you should focus your energy on the heaviest hitters. Managing applications weighs in at 25%, while security, working with data, and automation each account for 20%, making up 85% of your total score. The single most misunderstood aspect of the CAD certification is its maintenance model. Unlike many IT certs, CAD is tied to a specific Now platform release, like Zurich for 2026. To keep your certification current, you must pay a $200 annual maintenance fee and pass a short, open-book Delta exam for each new release. This non-proctored exam has 6 to 20 questions and must be completed within a 90-day window. If you miss it, your certification expires completely, forcing a full retake. The exam heavily tests your understanding of scoped applications, the default for all new development. A scoped app isolates its components with a unique identifier, preventing it from directly accessing or modifying records in another scope unless explicitly granted permission. This is a common exam trap, a script in one scope that tries to update a record in another will silently fail without the proper application access configuration. You must understand how to grant these cross-scope privileges to correctly answer several critical questions. For server-side logic, you must master the GlideRecord API. But more importantly, you need to know when to use its security-aware twin, GlideRecordSecure. While GlideRecord can query any data the system can see, GlideRecordSecure automatically honors the current user's access controls, or ACLs. Exam scenarios will often present a situation where a script is being exposed to a client, like in a service portal widget. In these cases, using GlideRecordSecure is the correct answer to ensure data security is not bypassed. The platform is evolving, and the CAD exam reflects this shift toward modern tools. You'll need to know about UI Builder and the Now Experience framework, which are replacing classic service portal for workspace and employee experiences. Similarly, Flow Designer is the modern tool for orchestration, favored is our legacy workflows. For the exam, understand the core components of each. UI Builder uses pages and components, while Flow Designer uses triggers, actions, and subflows to create auditable automations and integrations. Finally, access controls, or ACLs, are a guaranteed source of several exam questions. Remember that ServiceNow uses a deny-by-default security model. Access is only granted if a user has a role that matches an ACL, and all conditions and scripts on that ACL evaluate to true. It's crucial to understand the evaluation order. ServiceNow checks for field-level rules first, before falling back to table-level rules. A user must pass at least one ACL at both the table and field level to gain access. Feeling ready to test your knowledge on these topics? The best way to prepare for the real exam is to practice with realistic questions. Visit openexamprep.com to access hundreds of free ServiceNow CAD practice questions covering scoped apps, ACLs, Flow Designer, and more, complete with AI-powered explanations to help you master every concept.